MIDI to USB cables. There's hundreds of them on Amazon. Which one do you choose? Well, I needed one yesterday afternoon and I've taken a punt on this one. So let's have a look at it. There we go. The OTraki Green Life Quality and Health. Yeah, well, let's just hope the USB works. Made in Shenzhen. What a surprise. Let's please hope it works. There are so many of these. Do we think it's going to be any good or not? Let's have a look at it. We shall find out. So we've got 2 MIDI plugs, one in, one out. And this little USB thing on the end of it. What else have we got in here? I wonder how well this is written. Let's have a look. So, the OTraki USB, MIDI and USB, or MIDI to USB, and we'll find out later if it works. We'll be right back.